Hi, how you doing? Justin here. In this little video today we're going to be checking out the names of the open strings, i.e. what their note name is for each one of these little open friends, because eventually we need to learn what the notes are all over the guitar, and we're going to start with these open strings. So first of all we need to create a little bit of space over here for me to stick a little neck diagram up. So if I just kind of lean over and okay, now about now, bing, up comes this little neck diagram, and you'll see there E, A, D, G, B, E. And these are the names of the open strings. And what I've just done is named them from the thicker string. See, if I play it at the same time now, we've got E, A, D, G, B, and E again. Of course, noticing now that the two outside strings are both E's, which is why sometimes I call it the fat string or the thick string, and the skinny string or the thin string, because I can't call it the E string because they're both E strings. Now, the thing that's going to really help you remember the names of the open strings is to make up a funny little rhyme. Now, the one that I used when I was growing up was Easter Bunny gets drunk after Easter, which starts with the thin string. Easter Bunny gets drunk after Easter. Now, this one for me is kind of funny, the idea of the Easter Bunny going around delivering eggs to all of the bad kids, being a bit upset about it, going back to his little burrow and knocking off a bottle of Jack Daniels. I think it's kind of fun. So therefore, it was easy for me to remember. But you can make up any other rhyme that you like. There's quite a few ones that I've heard that I've thought have been quite funny. Every boy gets dizzy around Elle, which is Elle Macpherson, my favourite supermodel. So every boy gets dizzy around Elle. It's my little tribute to the wonderful Elle Macpherson. We could have also, one of my students told me one, starting from the thick string, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So that one is going from the thick strings. It really doesn't matter. You can make up your own rhyme so long as you have a rhyme that will help you remember the open string note names. And this is really important because very, very soon, i.e. in the next stage, we're going to be starting to look at all of the names of the notes in the open position. And if you don't know the open strings yet, it's going to be kind of, well, next to impossible.